Mabuhay! It's your girl NJ. It's your girl Charat! So today we're eating Ilocos Empanada. Awan suka. Masarap ang combination ng suka and ketchup. Crispy guys. Let's try suka. Umapapal ka man ng best friend, Marie Cristina. Look at that.